Okay, hello traders, this is the Wolf in another tutorial in the trend series, and in this video we're going to talk about neckline in trend, and basically everything to do with necklines, and how we can actually use neckline to tell us where the market is heading or the direction of the market. So before that, let me do the risk warning. The investor capital may be at risk. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So we're currently on the Wednesday AUD JPY market in the New York session. So let's take a look at what's happening. Okay, as you can see, the major direction of the market, or the major trend of the market, is down. So let's plot some key levels and let's try to find the neckline of the market. So we have a good SNR here, round number. So important, you need to know about neckline, because necklines can actually be very good SNR key levels, which shows you the market clearer and clearly. So we have a key level here, and for those who do not know what is a neckline, okay, so a neckline is actually when you have a trend in a particular direction, and then that is where the pullback happens. So like for example, you see we have a downtrend here, and then this was uptrend direction. Okay, we have a key level here, body reversal level, and you can see the level is respected, and this level here. Okay, so this level, so you can see the market came down, went up, and then from here went up. So in between these two areas, this is what you call the neckline, or this is actually the neckline where the market retraces and then goes back up. So this level needs to break for the direction to go down, this whole area. It's also a double bottom area. So you can see that is the reason why this level triggered buyers again, and then into a consolidation before clearing the level. So you can see another good key level here, but we need to understand that the key level is not exactly the neckline. So when you're in a downtrend, you need to see where the market actually pulls back. Okay, so in JPY chart, it's always very difficult to get the exact level of the round number. So you can see in a downtrend, market breaks this level, and then you have a pullback here. So this level, you can consider it something like a neckline level, because you don't have price action on the left to show you, but this is where the market retraced back up to retest this key level before going down, and then you see the first candle failed to break, second candle broke through this level. So basically this is what I want you to understand about neckline in trend. And since now we are in a downtrend market, the best place to find neckline will be after a major direction of the market with a pullback. So you can get a key major level, neckline level, which becomes your major support or resistance depending on which direction the market is facing. And But that doesn't mean that when you have a neckline, you just trade it blindly. Okay, like I told you, you need to understand your support and resistance level well, as well as your pressure. Okay, as well as pressure, you need to understand pressure together with SNR. So I'll just let a few more candles run because I want to show you how you can actually take a continuation trade based on neckline level. So now we have a bullish pressured candle coming towards the neckline. And you can see the respect because of this body reversal and because this is something like a neckline. Okay, so you can see even though this candle rejected, you cannot blindly just do a call trade hoping that this level will hold unless you see the live candle. Okay, so I want to show you guys. Okay, there's a neckline level, so let's see. Okay, that was the confirmation that the neckline is being respected and market is now going up. But of course the best will be to enter this level here, but let's see if I'm right with this bullish move in the market. But you need to understand the major direction is down, so you need to see the kind of respect that you need to actually confirm that the market is going up further. And you can see what's happening. This neckline triggers buyers. So this level cleared. This was actually like a retest candle, but the retest candle immediately showed buyers, strong buyers presence. And you can see how you can actually do good continuation trades based on neckline levels. But most importantly, you need to understand how to plot the levels properly and watch market behavior around those levels. So I hope you guys learned something today about neckline and how neckline can be used as a key level. So you see, this would have been an easy call trade because we are following the direction of the market, but you have to be careful of this level acting as a resistance. But these three candles actually confirms that the market direction is actually up, but you need to see what happens on this level. And you can see the buyers are coming in, buying pressure is coming in. So you have, this would have been a good trade. But when you have a strong candle coming down to retest the level, that is when you have to be careful, because it shows that the pressure now is coming down and you can't enter blindly without confirmation. So I'm happy with that rejection, which confirms that the buyers are strong in this level. And you can see what's happening now. Okay, the market, based on this, what's happening right now, the market will try to form a double bottom to break this neckline level. Okay, so with this, I like to end this tutorial. I hope you understand a bit about neckline and how you can use it to do continuation trades and how you can use it as a major key level with market current price action respect. So with this is the Wolf signing out. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye. Okay, I'll just run two or three more candles just to let you see how by plotting the levels correctly, you can actually understand market behavior. So this is a good red hammer, and let's see if I'm right, and let's see if the double bottom actually forms. Currently, the 20 EMA triggered sellers in again. So let's see if the trend goes into the major downtrend, or it reverses into an uptrend. So you can see very strong jerk downwards, which shows that the major trend is trying to continue. You can see the BB, the EMAs all pointing down. So neckline, that is the reason why this is the first tutorial. I'm actually using EMAs and BB for you to understand neckline levels and how you can actually understand the market. So this is the first tutorial that I'm actually using EMAs and BBs. But let me just remove the indicators for you to understand and see the naked chart, and you can see clearly what is happening based on the level that you plotted, that I plotted here. You can see neckline level, okay. So let's see if I'm right. Hammer, strong level, fake breakout of the strong level. So this is where the buyers are waiting, and now we should be into a double bottom, which, and you can see the respect, but double bottom forming, but you saw strong rejection here. So the moment this level breaks, you can actually do a call trade. So now what we have is a double bottom trying to unfold, and you can see this level is having very strong rejection, so we got to wait for the level to clear before we do another call trade. Yeah, the neckline is, the buyers are trying to clear the neckline. So let's see if they are able to clear it. Not likely. This level is being very strongly respected, so we should be heading lower down. And you can see, okay, that was the confirmation you needed. This is a sure shot call from a low entry, more than 50% of this green body. More than 50% of this green body. Market is going up, double bottom, form, pushing upwards, clearing the neckline. So let's see if the buying pressure will continue upwards. So this is something like a retest candle. So retest candles is better not to trade unless you have strong confirmation. And earlier you saw strong rejection here and here, but the buyers were still able to break the level, which shows that market wants to go up. Okay, so with that, this is the Wolf signing out. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.